Okay, what we're going to do now is called the serpentine. We're going to go in between the cones. Now what happens is the driver's body, the side mirror on the sides, and the cones, you have to line up. So when my body, the side mirror, and the cone line up, I turn. All of this is hand over hand. Now remember, hand over hand, you're only using the top third of the steering wheel, and you rotate your hands over. Okay, so I'm going to move, and you want to stay away from the object you're going around. So once the three of us match, which is right about there, I start turning the steering wheel. Now I'm looking over to the right mirror. And then as my body, the mirror and the cone, which is right there, line up, I start turning. Now I'm looking back to the left. So you rotate the sides, and now all three of us match, so I'm going to turn. And that's how you do it. But remember, you don't want to stay close to the object. You want to stay at least 3-4 feet away from the object. Now I'm looking to the left. And I'm staying about 3 or 4 feet from the object.